Okay, today at Wil at Home we're going to create a very simple Chinese dish. And I've done a different way of doing this, so it saves sort of time and you can do it at home. So I've sous vide my duck, 58 degrees for about an hour and 45 minutes. And then we're going to just sear this here on this pan and let this slowly cook down. And then we're going to here take our gailan or our Chinese broccoli, and we're just going to blanch it for a couple of minutes. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of oil on here as well, just to loosen it up a little bit. Shouldn't need much because you're basically rendering. And we can close that as well. And then we're just going to slowly cook and render down the fat on here. It's a great, easy sort of technique of doing this. And it's the first time I've done it on this griddle, but we'll see what happens out of it. But if not, you can easily do it in a frying pan. So now what we'll do is we'll just trim off our gailan and just make sure it's perfect in size, and then we'll just cut this down here, cut this on top, put that flat onto here. There we go. A little bit of garlic oil on here. There we are. Or you can do sesame oil. And then I have here my tamarind glaze that we'll just put around. So in here it's just basically tamarind, palm sugar, chili, dry red chili that is, fish sauce, and it's just all boiled up together, and then it's blended, and then after we've blended it, and then strained it, and then reduced it down. Okay, this duck looks like it's pretty much ready. We'll just take that off. Look, it's nicely seared. Perfect. There we go. So this is a great, easy sort of way of doing stuff at home, where you can be doing 2 or 3 things at once. So we'll just go and slice this down here. And then we put this on top of here. Go more on here. There we go. And then we put a little bit of coriander on top. There we go. And then we put some fried garlic on top of that. And here we have our tamarind glazed duck.